welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a way to use numbers in your classroom that has nothing to do with Excel or quantifying numbers or anything like that. It actually will help you organize your classroom, will help you have kids working together in groups, can help you streamline your day. There's a whole lot of things that I just actually learned about this year that numbers is good for. So let's jump right in. So as you'll notice, I'm in a numbers document, and when you make a new slide, you'll get one of these number things. I don't want those Excel sheets. So I'm actually going to press this on the top left corner, and I'm going to delete that. Now what's great about this is now this is a blank document. I can use my pencil or my Apple crayon if I have one of those. As soon as I touch, I'm able to use this as a whiteboard. So if I just want to be able to write things, to do shapes, make examples. Now what's great about this is an infinite document. So as I'm working, I can just keep scrolling, adding documents, adding text, whatever I want, and it's just a forever document. So I can use this as a whiteboard. What's also great about numbers is at the top you'll notice I have some slides. So I can actually rename these tabs. So I could do this one whiteboard. Okay, then I could tab the next one math, science, social studies, or by classes, class 1, class 2, class 3. That way I have everything I need all in one place. So I go to my next tab after I'm done writing, and I've taken a picture of one of the writings I'm going to be using in my classroom later so that I can then have this projected up on my television, and then I can be walking around the room and I can be modeling my writing with my kids. So instead of being stuck under a document camera, I'm now able to walk around the classroom. Okay? And adding something like that is as easy as going to the top, pressing plus. Over here you make sure that you're on the media page, and then you're going to do camera. I would take my iPad, take a picture of the document, use photo. When that pops up, I'm going to double click it and I can actually crop that page down to whatever I want to use. Okay, so now this is going to be on my document able to be used. Okay, I don't want that, so I'm going to delete it. I go to the next slide, the next tab, and here's the other page I was going to use for the day. So instead of having to be under the document camera, I have all the pages I'm going to be modeling on my iPad. Go to the next tab. Here's a calendar that I'm going to be working on with my kids. So again, I can hand my iPad off, have my kid help me write the dates on the calendar. I can have them help me make the pattern that I have right here. Then I go to the next sheet. Maybe I had a video that I wanted to use, so I've had that imported on my iPad. I just added the video. So now all I have to do is press play, and my video is now playing. So now I have everything I need throughout the day, and each tab can be a different activity that I'm using. You could also set this up like for stations, where each tab is a station for the kids. Now, let me show you some things that you can do. So let me go ahead and just delete this writing. When I press the plus button, I can add a photo or a video from some things that I have on my computer. I can use the camera. You can use audio, so the kids could actually record their voice to tell you what they know, or I could actually have my voice recorded. I can use image gallery. I can insert from files if I have files set up on my iPad. I can actually let the kids use their finger, and I just press drawing. Now the kids can use their finger to be creative and add some drawing. So they could actually type some things and then add their drawings within numbers. Okay? I can also go to this next tab, and the kids have all these opportunities of all these different icons. So as the kids are being creative, not only can they draw and use videos and pictures, but they can also use these icons. Now, I can also scroll all the way over to basics. I can use text, so then I can add a text box down here, so the kids could actually start typing in a text box, so they can add their drawings, their voice, text, videos, pictures. So one way I might use this in my classroom is I might use this for collaboration. So I'm going to start a new template, okay? And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this page so that it's a blank document. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to duplicate this for every kid in my class, okay? Blank documents. Then I might go through and I might type their names. So this is John, Sarah. Okay, so I'll go through and I would add each kid's name on a tab. Okay, so now it's time for my kids to show me what they know. So on the top corner, I'm going to press the 3 dots. I'm going to see something that says collaborate with others. When I click this, I'm going to able to share this with my kids. The first thing I want to do is on my share options, anyone with the link can make changes. That's important. Okay, then I'm going to go back. I'm going to copy this link, and it's going to turn on collaboration on this document. So now I'm going to use that link and I'm going to put it in the QR code maker. And so now what I can do is I can project up on my television that QR code. The kid takes their iPad, scans the QR code. It's going to bring them into this document. So every kid is going to be editing at the same time on the same document. They find their tab, and now this kid has the option to show me what they know by drawing, by adding audio, by adding video, or by adding pictures. So now I've diversified my opportunity for these kids to show me what they know in a dynamic way. All right, so I hope that was helpful for you, and this is all within the Numbers app.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.